Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Nelly, aka Hair Goddess. And for you, those of you who did not subscribe or don't know about my channel, I do hair, fashion, arts and crafts, all kinds of that stuff. So if you didn't subscribe now. And I know it's been a lot going on with this. We have 2 pandemics, and I just hope that everybody can come together and have world peace. That's all I have to say. But anyway, getting back to the video, I'm going to show you how to install a sew-in with a lace front. So let's get into the video. I have my own hairline. It's called Mayvenn. I have my own hairline with Mayvenn. And I purchased hair, so I'm going to show you guys how it got delivered and how it looked in the package. So I bought 2 bundles. So it comes in a little bag like this. So 4 string bags. I got 3 of them. So and in the small bag, I'm just going to take out one. In the small bags, it's 1 bundle. It comes like this. It's wrapped in a net very nicely. And this is Brazilian straight, color 1. Can you see that? It's real soft and silky. And then the other bag is the same thing, so I'm not going to pull that out. But it's basically the same thing. It's another bundle, just like this one. And this is my closure. And it's already pre-plucked. And also the knots are already kind of blended in, so you can't really see them. But if you want to, if you prefer to bleach it out, if you prefer to bleach it out, or you want to put concealer on, the inside of your neck, you can do that as well. And there's already baby hairs plugged in there. I don't know if you can see that here. And as you can see, that's soft too. And this is a 14-inch, and the bundles are 22 inches. Right. So that's how it came. I love the way that it was packaged. I do sell Mayvenn here, and I want you guys, I'm going to put a link at the bottom of the page so that you can see the link to my store page. Because if you do decide to go on Mayvenn's link and you want to purchase it from me, my store, you have to go to my link in order to purchase hair from me. So if you would like to purchase hair from me, I will leave my link at the bottom, because if not, you will be paying another stylist. And if you want to get hair from me, if you want to get hair from me, then that would be the link to go to. So I'll leave that at the bottom. But next, I'm going to show you how to do that. Install.
I cornrowed my hair back. Excuse the back, y'all. Listen, I don't have a relaxer in. I'm not putting no relaxer in my hair. I'm going to put a hair tie around my lace front and lay it on my head. That makes it easier for me. And I'm going to put 2 clips in to hold it in place so that your lace front does not move when you're sewing it in. Then I'm going to sew on the lace front. I'm going to sew the back one first. Okay, so I'm finished sewing on the lace frontal. Now I'm going to sew on the sides, do side parts, and sew that on just for security. I have a little bit to sew in the middle. Just going to close that up. I finished and I closed it up as tight as I can together. Now I'm going to glue on my lace frontal. I'm going to use Got to Be glue spray. You want to spray it on first layer, then blow dry it. Then you're going to put on a second layer, then blow dry it till it gets tacky. Then you're going to lay it down, and we're going to customize it. I'm cutting my lace front in a zigzag motion because I want the part to look natural as possible. That's how you want your part to look. I'm sorry, your headline to look natural as possible. You don't want to call a blunt straight line. So now, yes, time for the best part. I'm about to slay these edges. I'm using Got to Be glue, but you could use edge control or whatever works best for you. Now I'm going to tie my edges down so they can lay my edges down. And this thing was giving me problems, y'all, but I got it together. Now I'm getting ready to press my hair out because I like to have it smooth before I put my curls in. And I'm all flattened out, and yes, I'm looking like a joint, hunty. It's nice and smooth and silky. So I let my curls sit in overnight. I'm getting ready to remove my flexi rods. And I don't know what it is, but it's so satisfying taking curls out. I don't know why I like it so much, but it's satisfying. Don't ask me why. My curls are nice and bouncy. And yes, she is done. I like my curls nice and bouncy and tight so that when it loosens up, it falls nicely. And I love it. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to like, press the notification bells for new upcoming videos, and please remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.